Hello and welcome to Beginner's Beat number 7. Now, I've got quite a challenging one for you today, especially because of the two 16th note bass drum hits that come right after the first hi-hat. And some of you might find it quite difficult, but stick with it because if you can master this, you'll really be going a long way towards improving your technique. So, here is a video of me playing the beat at 70 BPM. Start playing along with it once you're confident you know how the beat should sound. So, if you need another go at that, feel free to rewind. If not, let's move on to 105 BPM. Finally, here is the drumless track that I've specifically created to work with this beat. It's quite a funky one, probably one of the favourites that I've made so far, and it's also at 105 BPM. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this, then please hit the like button, and if you want to continue playing, why not check out one of my other lessons or drumless tracks.